So what is this? This is another question which is very typical in nature. If you must be practicing thousand of question, again you must have seen this. So how to solve this? And the point is, a lot of people must have not seen it, and they want to understand how to derive this and how to even use the formula or maybe whatever the trick is. So let's discuss this now. Now all I have done is, this is point x, this is point y. So I have placed A here and placed B here. So they are traveling towards each other with certain speed. So let SA be their speed and SB be their another speed. So when they travel at each other, and then that becomes the time is constant. You must have read this till now. So what, when they meet, A must have traveled some distance which is P, and B must have traveled some distance which is Q. So the time difference, like the ratio of speed is equal to ratio of the distance travel when the time is constant. I think you must have read this also, right? This is big. So now what happens? They meet, right? After meeting, A travels this part with speed of TA, like takes time TA to reach the end of Y, and the speed was again the same, which is SA. And B is also, this is the meeting point, right? The discussion is going when B moves towards X, and then he is traveling with the speed of SB, which is the same, and he takes TB time to complete the distance to reach X. So what distance did B take, travel? It's P, right? That is like this distance he traveled with whatever time and speed which I mentioned here. And what A did is he covered Q with this speed and time, right? So P is what? P is nothing as TB into SB, and Q is TA into SA, right? Time into speed. Okay, so this is again the same. We have just modified. So now if you see, if you multiply SB with this one, SB with cross multiplication, so it becomes SB square, and SA multiplies with SA becomes SA square equals to TB by TA. Now this is the exact formula which you must have memorized a lot of time without knowing what it was. So this formula works exactly under this condition. So a lot of time you must be given, they both meet, A travels for with the speed of this takes 9 hour or something, like 4 hour or something, that is given. So what is that? It's just like that if you take the SA time taken by A, that it reverses, and you know why it actually happened. So let's use this formula in our case question and see how to solve this. So now you see, Yana took 4 hours, Gupta took 9 hours, right? So if you take Yana by Gupta ka jo bhi route, so you get 2 by 3. This is reverse of, so that become speed of Gupta by speed of Yana. So just put 40. So you get how much? This 18, and X that is speed of Gupta is 32, right? So you just saw that how you took the form of this question and got this result, derivation, and you got the answer. So I will recommend you to memorize this formula, but yeah, you should know how it came, but just remember that this is reverse. SA by SB is TB by TA ka whole root. So in such kind of question, sometimes you get this question, and this is why you get the formula. And if you even don't know the formula, use this concept, do it there like that. But it's better you memorize that formula. Sometimes this formula can come in small level exam like omits, like snap, zat. Sometimes it's not in zat, but maybe in small level bank exams, or maybe in government exams like SSC. So all the best. Thank you.